Hello, today we be comparing the Roborock Qrevo Master versus iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. Be sure to watch to the end and I will which is better installs product in the description. Let's start. Section power 8000 pascals and 4000 pascals when a Roborock. Next, battery life 180 minutes and 120 minutes when a Roborock. Next, dustbin capacity 450 milliliters and 500 milliliters when a S9. Next, water tank capacity 300 milliliters and is noses with a Roborock. Next, mopping feature, yes, now with a Roborock. Next, self-cleaning base, yes, draw. Next, smart navigation, yes, with a Roborock. Next, price, higher, draw. If you want more restriction power and battery life and short price, you better off with the Roborock Qrevo Master. The link to buy in this video description. Bye.